Hello, everyone. So, today I'm going to order food at a restaurant. And I want to be honest with you. I'm actually a bit nervous right now. This is my first time at this restaurant, and speaking English with strangers always makes my heart beat a little faster. But you know what? Everyone feels nervous. Even people who speak English every day feel nervous sometimes. So, I want you to watch me today and feel easy. I'm going to show you that ordering food in English is not difficult. The most important thing is stay comfortable and don't panic. Nobody is judging you. The waiter wants to help you, not test your English. My biggest tip for you is this: speak slowly. Think about what you want to say and then tell them. Don't rush. If you speak too fast, you might forget words or get stuck. It's much better to speak slowly and clearly. Take your time, breathe, and remember, making mistakes is totally okay. Now, let's go inside together and I'll show you exactly how to do it.
Good afternoon. Welcome.
Hello, good afternoon.
Table for how many people?
Just one person, only me.
Okay, perfect. Would you prefer a table by the window or in the middle area?
By the window, please.
Great choice. Please follow me. Here you go. This is your table.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Here is the menu. Would you like something to drink first?
Oh, yes. Can I have water, please?
Of course. Would you like still water or sparkling water?
Still water is fine. Thank you.
No problem. I'll bring that right away. Take your time with the menu, and I'll come back in a few minutes to take your order.
Okay, thank you. See? That was easy. He asked me simple questions, and I answered slowly. Now I'm looking at the menu. Don't worry if you don't understand every word. Just look for foods you know or pictures on the menu. You can also ask questions. That's what I'm going to do now.
Here is your water.
Thank you.
Are you ready to order, or do you need more time?
I have a question. What is the soup of the day?
Today, we have tomato basil soup. It's very popular. It comes with bread on the side.
Oh, that sounds good. And what about this, points to menu? This pasta dish? What is it exactly?
Ah, that's our creamy mushroom pasta. It has fresh mushrooms, cream sauce, garlic, and we add some Parmesan cheese on top. It's one of my favorites.
Does it have any meat?
No, it's completely vegetarian, but if you'd like, we can add chicken or shrimp for an extra cost.
No, vegetarian is perfect for me. That sounds really delicious.
Great. So would you like to order that?
Yes, but I have one more question. Is it very spicy?
No, not at all. It's very mild. We don't add any spices to it, but we can add some black pepper if you like.
No, mild is good. Okay, so I would like to start with the tomato soup and then the mushroom pasta for my main course.
Perfect. Would you like a small or large portion of the pasta?
What do you recommend?
Well, the large portion is quite big. If you're having soup first, I would suggest the small portion. But it's up to you.
Okay, I'll take the small portion then.
Excellent choice. And would you like any salad or side dish with that?
What sides do you have?
We have garden salad, garlic bread, French fries, or roasted vegetables.
I'll have the garden salad, please.
Great. What kind of dressing would you like on your salad? We have ranch, Italian, Caesar, or balsamic vinegar.
Oh, Italian dressing, please.
Perfect. So just to confirm your order, tomato basil soup to start, then small mushroom pasta with garden salad on the side, Italian dressing. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Wonderful. And anything else to drink besides water, coffee, tea, juice, soda?
Can I have orange juice?
Absolutely. Would you like that now or with your meal?
With my meal, please.
Perfect. Your soup will be out in about 5 to 7 minutes.
Great. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. If you need anything, just wave and I'll come over.
Okay, Thank you. See? I asked questions when I wasn't sure. That's completely okay. The waiter is there to help you. I asked, what is the soup of the day? And is it spicy? These are normal questions. Don't be afraid to ask.
Here is your tomato basil soup and bread. Be careful, the bowl is hot.
Thank you. It looks delicious.
Enjoy. Your pasta will be ready soon.
Perfect. This is really good.
All right, here is your mushroom pasta and garden salad. Can I get you anything else?
This looks amazing. Can I also have some extra Parmesan cheese?
Of course. I'll bring that right away.
Thank you.
And here is your orange juice as well.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
Here you go. Extra Parmesan cheese.
Thank you.
Enjoy your meal. Let me know if you need anything.
I will. Thank you.
How was everything? Did you enjoy your meal?
Yes, it was really delicious. I loved the pasta.
I'm so glad to hear that. Would you like any dessert? We have chocolate cake, cheesecake, ice cream, or apple pie.
Oh, I'm quite full now. Maybe just the bill, please?
No problem. Would you like some tea or coffee while I prepare your bill?
Actually, yes. Can I have green tea?
Absolutely. I'll bring your tea and the bill together.
Thank you.
Here is your green tea and your bill. There's no rush. Take your time.
Thank you. One question. Is the tip included?
No, the tip is not included, but it's completely optional, whatever you feel comfortable with.
Okay. Thank you for letting me know.
You're welcome.
Excuse me. I'm ready to pay.
Great. Will that be cash or card?
Card, please.
Perfect. I'll bring the card machine. Here you go. Just insert your card here and follow the instructions on the screen.
Okay.
All done. Here is your receipt. Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you for the great service. The food was excellent.
I'm so happy you enjoyed it. We hope to see you again soon.
Definitely. Have a great day.
You too. Goodbye.
Bye. See? That wasn't scary at all. Let me tell you the most important things I did today. First, I spoke slowly and clearly. I didn't rush. Second, I asked questions when I didn't understand something. I asked about the soup, the pasta, the sides, and even about the tip. Third, I was polite. I said please and thank you many times. This is very important. Fourth, I took my time. When the waiter asked if I was ready to order, I asked my questions first. That's okay. Fifth, when the waiter confirmed my order, I listened carefully to make sure everything was correct. Remember these key phrases. Can I have, or I would like. What is, when you want to know about something. Do you have, when asking about options. Is it, when asking about the food, spicy, vegetarian, etc. Can I get the bill, please, when you're ready to pay. You can use these phrases in any restaurant. Practice them at home. Say them out loud. The more you practice, the easier it becomes. Now, I want to hear from you. Tell me in the comments, what is your biggest fear when ordering food in English? Is it speaking to the waiter, reading the menu, asking questions, or something else? Write your answer in the comments below. I read every single comment, and I want to help you. Also, which restaurant phrase do you think is most useful? Tell me in the comments. And here's a challenge for you. The next time you go to a restaurant, try to use at least 3 English phrases. Then come back and tell me how it went. I really want to know. If this video helped you feel more confident about ordering food in English, please give it a thumbs up. Share this video with your friends who are learning English. Help them feel confident too. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you don't miss our next video. Speaking English is not about being perfect. It's about communicating and connecting with people. Be brave, be patient with yourself, and keep practicing. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.